Everyone knows DNA encodes the blueprint of life. But what about the crew executing its instructions? Meet proteins. Familiar to us as the essentials of a good diet. But proteins are more than that. They are molecular machines that manage biochemical reactions, provide structure and support, work as messengers, and store and transport nutrients in our bodies. Proteins are long chains of amino acids strung together with peptide bonds. Inside our cells, tiny factories called ribosomes read RNA instructions and use an alphabet of 20 different amino acids to print out proteins. Just like this umbrella doesn't do much to keep me dry, until I do this, a protein string can't function until it folds into a unique three-dimensional shape. This is because proteins are micro machines that must physically perform tasks enabled by their three-dimensional structure. Enzyme proteins literally hold together molecules to facilitate trillions of chemical reactions in our bodies. Antibody proteins shaped like hooks latch onto viruses and bacteria, marking them for elimination by the immune system. Even the spiked crown of a coronavirus is a protein adapted to latch onto specific receptor proteins in human cells. If we could decipher protein structures, we could disrupt these interactions between viral and host proteins and stop the virus in its tracks. But this isn't as easy as it sounds. After all, the ability of proteins to fold themselves into the correct shape is almost magical. The DNA only spells out the sequence of amino acids, not the final shape of the protein itself. The number of possible shapes that a protein could fold into exceeds the count of atoms in the universe. Yet every protein spontaneously folds into its own unique and specialized structure, all within seconds. These structures are so complex that studying a single protein takes years of work and millions of dollars. Could we instead predict a protein structure by its amino acid recipe alone? This is super hard because of the astronomical numbers involved. Checking all possible combinations would take longer than the age of the universe. But now, we are attacking the problem with an incredibly powerful tool: artificial intelligence. Neural networks are being trained to predict protein structures with speed and accuracy unimagined just a few years ago. Mastering the art of protein folding using computational technology could usher in a new era in medicine. Designer molecules that fit into the nooks and crannies of protein structures could deliver precise medication at a cellular level with zero side effects. And diseases caused due to misfolded proteins such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's could be successfully treated for the first time. And beating a viral pandemic could be as easy as folding a paper airplane.